where this takes place. 113-23, 203rd Street in St. Albans, Fun City, Queens. The ticket price is $25 per person. Music jugglings will be by DJ Drew from Dymex Sound, Ricky Genius, Selector Tony, DJ Shocky from Super Force, and is sponsored by Drumex Sound. The food for sale will be a seafood platter, shrimp, crab, lobster, fish, steamed, fried, brown stew, jerk chicken, and your side orders, backside bammy, backside breadfruit, backside bread, raw veggies, rice, and peas. You must make it out for Friends for Life, August 5th. Fun City, Queens in St. Albans, 113-23, 203rd Street. Yo, Queens no good again!